Okay, so I'm not gonna do Riot Juice. Riot Juice is nothing more than Everclear and Gatorade. You can figure that one out on your own. But we are gonna make Fightmilk. Made with real crow's eggs.
Are you ready for the best idea ever?
Couldn't get crow's eggs. Buy bodyguards for bodyguards. It's Fightmilk to help you fight like a bodyguard. Fightmilk. Yeah!
I drink it every morning so I can fight like a crow.
Get out of my periphery. I have once or twice been compared to Fat Mac. And to that I say, go f yourself. Fightmilk's gonna be made in a shaker. I know Charlie makes it in a great big vat.
What up?
But we're not making that much Fightmilk. We're just gonna make a single serving Fightmilk here. You know, I thought about doing the big vat, but I was worried about the implications of what would happen if that enormous batch of Fightmilk were to get out into the public. What could happen, the riots and fights that could erupt from such a thing. Not exactly something I want to be responsible for. So we're just gonna make a single serving of Fightmilk here. And we're gonna start by cracking an egg and dropping that into my shaker. We're gonna need 2 ounces of vodka. All right. Bingo, 2 ounces of vodka. Where'd that cap go? I want to add in 1 ounce of Nocello. This is a walnut liqueur from Italy. Why am I adding this? Well, all I know is that there's vodka, milk, and eggs, crow's eggs. Obviously I don't have crow's eggs. Eggs in this drink. And so I kind of have carte blanche to make it better in the way I see fit. I could easily see this, you know, in Philadelphia being a dusty bottle at the back of Ronnie McDonald's mom's liquor cabinet, just collecting dust, and maybe it wound up in the Fightmilk. At the very least, should make this pretty nice. We're gonna add two ounces of whole milk. You could use a lighter milk. If you can get access to it, some kind of a bird milk would be really ideal. All right, we're gonna dry shake. Big cube. Broken cube. Oh boy. Ooh. Filled with all that good protein. Look at those arms, man. That is disgusting. All right, that's enough of that. Nobody wants any of that. We're gonna garnish this as one does, a little nutmeg. All right, so what is this? What I present to you is Fightmilk, the only alcoholic, crow-based protein shake for bodyguards by bodyguards. Fightmilk, okay? So it helps you fight like a crow. I don't know what else there's to say about it. You know, you soar high like a crow. Caw-caw, caw-caw. Let's see how it is. I have a feeling this is actually gonna be much better than I'm pretending it's gonna be. Yeah, that's great eggnog. I love that. It's delicious. It's a little airier, and it's much airier and lighter than you would expect it to be. There's a lot of air in that. It's very frothy, light fluff of a drink, which is surprising, right? Because there's milk and eggs, you expect it to be heavy. It's not heavy. It might get heavier as I drink it. At the moment, it's pretty light. And it's just, it tastes nice. It's a light, creamy, sweet, walnutty beverage. It's not bad, it's pretty good. I like it. Could I have done Fightmilk a different way? I could have done Fightmilk a million different ways. This is just the way I decided to go. I love that. I actually really like that quite a bit. I strongly encourage you to give Fightmilk a try. I think it would be better with bourbon. I think they would have a lot more character, but I'm restricted by the confines of the material I'm given. Had to be some kind of clear stuff with a red label. I mean, it really looked like Smirnoff, honestly, in the episode. You see what I'm saying? Smirnoff, it looks like it. Fightmilk will help you soar high as a crow, fight like a bodybuilder. No, bodyguard. Fight like a bodyguard, not a bodybuilder. It'll keep people out of your periphery. The implication of it is devastating. I'm probably gonna finish this delicious glass of Fightmilk. Guys, that's How to Drink, that's the show. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please subscribe. I'm on Twitter at How To Drink. I'm on Instagram at How To Drink. I have a Patreon that is at patreon.com/howtodrink. And if you want extras and behind the scenes things, they're over there. And if you don't want those things, don't go over there. That's fine. No pressure. I'm not want to lean on you. I don't want to give you any guilt trip or whatever. But I will fight you. Fightmilk. How to Drink is back every Friday with a new episode. And sometimes there's other episodes in between. But I will see you next week with another episode, or two. Another episode of How to Drink. See you next week. Oh man, I can't lean in with this shoulder. That's f***ing too. It's a lot of something else on this.
I feel like that's your outro.
Oh. It's got the mix of a bigger... Now I know why he was making a big garbage can of Fightmilk.